Okay, so this is how we do it. It's FX major. We kill the market. Okay, you can see the profit, and this is real account. This is real account. Okay, so I think I should be closing now. Then I should have to scalp with this strategy. Okay, let me just got that already. The last video I uploaded here, I made mention of using this strategy, this very strategy to scalp boom and crash. Okay, I told you guys can actually use this strategy to catch spikes on boom and crash, and as well you can use it to scalp boom and crash. Okay, so today I'll be showing you guys how to scalp, to actually use this strategy to scalp boom and crash. This strategy is very reliable. It helps, like it has really helped me. Okay, yeah. So if you're new on this channel, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and leave sweet comments. Okay, then don't forget to join our free Telegram channel for updates and signals. Okay, then yeah, thank you. Now I'll quickly show you guys the settings because I don't want this video to be long, or maybe we might make it two videos instead because I have a lot to explain here. Okay, I have a lot to explain here. You guys will love this strategy. Now, these are the settings. You can see, you can start screenshotting them. You can see the strategies we have here. Sorry, the indicators we have here. We have three indicators on the main chart. Then we have RSI, we have moving average, and we have Ichimoku under the indicator window one. So the first indicator you're bringing in is the moving average, the MA 100. The period is 100, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. Then you can use to mix pixel or any pixel at all. Choose any color of your choice. Okay, so you go back again. You know where to you get your indicators, right? Where you have the F icon, this F icon here. Okay, so you go back again. You click on the second in MA. You add the second MA, which is the period 10. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close. You can use to pixel and any color. Back. You click there again, go back again and add MA5. 5. The period is 5. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close to pixel and you choose any color. Okay, so that's for the main chart. You can see the indicators we have here on the main charts. Okay, so after that, you go back again under indicator window 1. We have the RSI. We have the RSI. We have RSI 16. Period is 16. Apply to close. Pixel, these are the levels here. We have 90. We have 10. We have 95. We have 5. Okay, you go back and click on done. Click on done. Then you go back again. You bring in your MA. This MA is not really necessary. We can just forget about the MA because it does the same thing. It's doing the same thing. Like the one we have on the main chart. Now the period is 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. Okay, pixel, you can choose any pixel, you can choose any color. Done. You go back again. Ichimoku. Tenkan Sen is 1. Kijun Sen is 2. Second span B is 52. Here, leave this place here. Don't click there. Leave it empty. You can use the 4 pixel. Then the color is black. If you're using black background, then it should be white. Okay, and that's all. There are no levels. You click on done. So those are the indicators we have here for this strategy. Now, when trading this strategy, when you're trading this strategy, when scalping with this strategy, you first of all move to 5 minutes time frame, right? First of all, move to 5 minutes time frame. when you move to 5 minutes time frame, you see here, okay, here at this level here, you see price has gotten to the overbought level area, which is this place here. Yeah, price has gotten to the overbought area. Okay, if you go back again, price has gotten to the overbought area again here, and you see price dropping again at the 5 minutes time frame. It has gotten here to this level again, to this level, to this level, which you have them here. Price dropped. Okay, so once you have your price at this overbought area, around this area here on 5 minutes time frame, what you need to do next is for it to move down to your 1 minute time frame for entry, for confirmation and entry. Now you see, once you see the green indicator here, the green MA crossing the red MA to the downside like this for boom, what you need to do is for you to jump in and take 3 to 5 candles. Okay, now if you are using lot size like 10 lot size, just one candle is enough for you to close with $1. Okay, then if you're using like one lot size, 3 candles, less than 3 candles gives you less than 3 minutes gives you $1. Okay, so that's how to trade this strategy. So once you jump in, you wait for this green indicator to cross it perfectly. So you take 3 to 5 candles, 1 to 3 to 5 candles, and you're out. Okay, right? You're out. Very simple. Very simple. Same thing here. 3 candles, 3 candles, you're out. 3 candles, you're out. 3 candles, you're out. 3 to 5 candles, you're out. Same thing here, 3 to 5 candles, you're out. So you get your confirmation on the 5 minutes time frame. Once it gets to the 5 minutes time frame, you know it has gotten to the overbought area. You enter after the cross of those indicators. Now for crash, this is crash 1000. Okay, now this is 5 minutes time frame, right? Sorry. This is 5 minutes time frame. You can see the confirmation here. You see price at oversold level, price pushed up after that level, after touching this level here, level 10 here, price pushed to the upside, right? The same thing here. Same thing here. If we push back, you see that it has touched that area. The Chimoku has touched that area. Price pushed up. The same thing here. Just touch this area. Price pushed up from that level. The same thing here. Okay, so whenever you see price at this oversold area for crash, you need to go down to lower time frame to buy. After you see this green indicator crossing the red indicator on the main chart, right? Now, another confirmation is when you move down to this 1 minute time frame, you see this blue indicator we have here, this blue we have on the main chart. If you see the indicator below the current price for crash, it's a very sweet one. You can hold it for it to move more than 3 5 candles. You can hold it for it to move up to maybe 8 to 10 candles, because this shows you having the blue indicator here below the current price for crash tells you that we are in an uptrend. Okay, we are in an uptrend. So you see it's hard for it to spike. If it spike, the spikes wouldn't be long to be short spikes. You see here after the we have the blue indicator below, and there's a confirmation here, we buy at this level. Same thing here, we buy at this level. Okay, so when it happens like that, now when you see when we have the blue indicator here, when you have the blue indicator above the current price, you see it spikes a lot. It spikes a lot. That shows that it's in a downtrend. Okay, it's in a downtrend. It's in a downtrend. It spikes a lot, 2 3 times in a row. Understand? So it's in a downtrend. You can see it keeps spiking. But whenever we have the blue indicator below the current price, you see it keeps going up. And even when it spikes, the spikes are very short. The spikes are very short. Do you understand? So that is how to trade. That is how to scalp with this strategy. Okay, that is how to scalp with this strategy. I love this strategy. It kills the market. It kills the market. So I will also explain more how to apply a bit of price action, or to combine a bit of price action with this strategy. Okay, so that'll be all for now, guys. I love you. Yeah, join my Telegram channel and account management, mentorship, and VIP signals. We provide 3 to 5 high probability signals daily. Okay, so just hit me up. I'll drop my WhatsApp line and my Telegram link. Telegram link on, check the description area. Okay, to join those channels. Okay, thanks, guys.